Not all Japanese SUVs are created equal. While some deliver outstanding reliability and value, others come with costly issues that make them a headache to own. In this video, we're breaking down 3 of the worst SUVs to avoid and 3 of the best that deliver great performance, safety, and value. We're starting with the worst ones first, so stick around to see which models disappoint and which ones are worth buying. Let's dive in. Number 3. Nissan Rogue. Currently, buying a Nissan Rogue isn't a wise decision, particularly since there are more dependable and capable vehicles in the same price range. The Rogue has a well-established track record of serious dependability problems. Several accounts suggest that it frequently suffers from serious mechanical troubles prior to 50,000 miles. Its intricate engine design, which is vulnerable to bearing and linkage breakage, is one of the main issues. Knocking sounds, power outages, and costly repairs may result from this. If ignored, the problem may worsen and result in total engine failure, requiring many owners to put up with drawn-out and annoying repair procedures. Even the NHTSA has recognized these persistent issues. Slow power distribution and an overheated gearbox exacerbate the Rogue's harsh acceleration, which is another common grievance. When driving long distances or carrying big loads, these problems become much more noticeable and eventually shorten the SUV's drivetrain's lifespan. Because of this, a lot of Rogue owners have experienced significant malfunctions in as little as 2 or 3 years. Because of these ongoing issues, the Nissan Rogue is a hazardous purchase. There are far better options available if you're looking for a mid-size SUV that is reliable and long-lasting. Number 2. Mitsubishi Outlander. Owners and industry professionals have long expressed disapproval of the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport's antiquated styling and poor interior quality. Even with slight aesthetic improvements over time, it still finds it difficult to compete with more contemporary rivals. Even the updated design of the 2025 model doesn't really raise it to the level of the market today. The Outlander Sport's interior feels cheesy and uninspired due to its heavy reliance on hard plastics. Although certain plastics are okay, using them excessively degrades the interior's overall quality. The cabin's lack of high-end equipment adds to its outdated and simplistic vibe, and the infotainment system is one of the worst in its class. Another significant disadvantage is performance. Slow acceleration results from the available engine options underpower and lack of refinement. It can be dangerous since the basic engine has trouble producing enough power, especially when merging onto highways or passing. Furthermore, its fuel efficiency is rather mediocre, providing no discernible edge over other SUVs. In the end, the Mitsubishi Outlander Sport does not offer good value for the money. Better options in the subcompact SUV market, such as the Mazda CX-5 and Honda HR-V, provide superior technology, performance, and build quality. Number 1. Honda Passport. While Honda is thriving with the CR-V, the same can't be said for the Passport. The 2019 to 2025 models have faced multiple mechanical and structural issues, making them a risky choice. One major concern is the automatic emergency braking system. In January 2025, the NHTSA investigated nearly 300,000 Honda vehicles, including 2019 through 2022 Passport models, due to reports of unintended braking increasing the risk of rear-end collisions. Honda later confirmed over 400 related complaints, highlighting flaws in the system's refinement. Another issue led to a December 2024 recall of 200,000 SUVs, including 2023 to 2024 Passport models, due to a fuel system defect. A faulty connection between the fuel filler neck and pipe raised the risk of gasoline leaks and potential fires in crashes. Honda linked this to an assembly issue, though no injuries or fires had been reported at the time. With these safety concerns in mind, the Honda Passport is best avoided. More reliable mid-size SUVs offer better safety, performance, and long-term dependability. Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's focus on Japanese SUVs that's actually worth buying in 2025. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. Subaru SUVs consistently rank among the best in their class, offering exceptional comfort, capability, and value. The Subaru Crosstrek, in particular, stands out as a well-rounded and dependable compact SUV, excelling in both urban commutes and off-road adventures. It's a favorite among drivers who need a versatile, fuel-efficient vehicle that can handle rough terrain and unpredictable weather conditions with ease. Equipped with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and an impressive 8.7 inches of ground clearance, the Crosstrek is designed to confidently tackle dirt trails, snow-covered roads, and muddy paths. Safety is another strong suit, featuring Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system and top-tier crash test ratings, reinforcing the brand's reputation for road safety. For 2025, the Crosstrek offers a refined lineup while maintaining its reliable powertrain options. The standard 2.0-liter engine delivers 152 horsepower, providing efficient performance for daily driving. Those seeking extra power can opt for the 2.5-liter engine with 182 horsepower, delivering stronger acceleration and improved capability for adventurous drivers. Whether you're navigating city streets, hitting the trails, or embarking on long road trips, the Subaru Crosstrek remains one of the most practical and well-rounded compact SUVs available today. Number 2. Mazda CX-5. Despite being a recent addition to the market, the Mazda CX-5 is quickly establishing itself as a noteworthy option. This SUV is a great choice for anybody looking for a fun yet functional car, since it offers the ideal balance of performance, economy, and luxury. The CX-5 is a great illustration of Mazda's continuous efforts to bridge the gap between premium and mainstream brands. The CX-5 is a three-row SUV that leads its class thanks to its rear-wheel drive system, which offers a dynamic driving experience usually associated with high-end cars. Among its many engine choices is a plug-in hybrid system that can go 26 miles solely on electricity. With a 48-volt hybrid system, the base 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-six engine can provide up to 340 horsepower on some trim levels and 280 horsepower on others. Despite being categorized as a mid-size SUV, the CX-5 is impressive due to its fast handling and smooth ride, which allows it to move with the agility of a smaller car. It provides a sophisticated and pleasurable driving experience whether cruising on the highway or negotiating city streets. With premium materials like wood trim and Napa leather, the interior further enhances its appeal and creates an elegant setting without breaking the bank. The CX-5 is a strong contender in the three-row SUV market because it offers superior quality at a competitive price. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the one Japanese SUV you can purchase with total assurance. Its reputation for dependability, adaptability, and high resale value is unmatched by many automobiles. Its enduring appeal is demonstrated by the fact that used RAV4s frequently fetch higher prices than some of their newer rivals. The RAV4 consistently ranks among the most reliable small SUVs and provides a good balance of performance and features. There are even hybrid models that can get up to 40 miles per gallon combined, which lessens the need for frequent petrol stops. It is an excellent option for a variety of driving situations because the available all-wheel drive system improves traction in difficult road conditions. Although the RAV4's design may seem straightforward to some, its most recent models, particularly the higher trim levels, are loaded with cutting-edge technology. Toyota Safety Sense, which includes cutting-edge driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, features that many competitors only provide as optional upgrades, comes standard with every new generation. The RAV4 is one of the best SUVs you can buy because of this alone, which greatly increases its value.